Hey guys, this is a book review for Baking Yesteryear by B. Dylan Hollis. So this is baking from the 1900s to the 1980s. So really fun theme for this book. A lot of people are doing a little bit of a 70s vintage, which is included in here, but he takes it a step farther in avocado pie and the cute marshmallows. So he does it, decade by decade in here, which is just fun if you're into any kind of history like ambrosia. I've never had that before, so it's really interesting to see these recipes that were created. Coconut ice. Yeah, this would be great if you want to have like a themed party, or if you're just in the mood to be a little bit vintage. There's some great ideas in here. Banana Marlowe. There's also like some kind of Depression era baking. So just a classic peanut butter bread, Anadama bread. So nice breakfast filling meal. And then these cute, like those maraschino cherries are so cute. They're just so cute. So some really adorable recipes that are going to be comforting and fun to present to friends, and maybe just make your own day for yourself. So super cute, adorable cookbook.